Wow. Well, it's release day, guys. The Jordan Retro 12s, the University Goals. On our way to go pick these pairs up. I hit on a couple raffles, so we gonna see what it's hitting for. Well, walking out pickup number 1. Got my pair. Yeah, guys, I'm almost at my next stop. I hit on a couple pairs out here. This is out here in the boonies. But I will drive to come pick up my pairs. Oh yeah, lesson number 1, no vlogging and driving, because I done passed up the doggone store. Hold on, let me bust a quick U. Let me get to the store. Yeah, guys, I was able to make that quick U. Now we pulling up at the Pivot Sports. We're gonna go inside and pick up those couple pairs, and I have a couple more stops to make up on the pickup release day. Y'all can see it's Pivot Sports, and yes, I have a valid handicap tag. Yeah, just looking around in the Hibbits. Couple of shirts, Jordan shirts, go with the 5 red 5s. And you got the red one, get this little shirt here. You got your North Carolina Jordan shirt, go with the 3s. This one goes good with the smoke gray ones that just came out. You got a couple of things in here, the Jordan shorts, black and gold. Rock that with your DMP 6s. Ooh, the black one go with the smoke gray one. Yeah. Let's go look at the one. What's up, dude? Chilling, huh? Yeah, a little Kyrie. Couple things on sale. Never broke again. NBA Youngboy. Representing Baton Rouge. I like this shirt, but I can never find it in my size. Yeah, you got a couple of shirts. Got the Legendary Boys in the Hood shirt. Got a couple of shirts. Got Drip. With the Tarzan Russ theme going on. See what sizes they got. Yeah, a couple of things. Some nice jeans, but I couldn't mess with those skinny jeans. Little shirt. Okay, this wall. These right here are comfortable. I have a pair for work. I like this silhouette. You got the Prestos. Not feeling those colorways too much though. Here we go. The Vapor Max Plus. Ready for this NFL season for your Saints. This your home jersey. It's your road jersey. Not sure we're gonna have much of an NFL season though. Stacking checks t-shirts. So I got my kicks. I'm gonna roll to the next step. Yeah, guys, I wasn't able to vlog from the stores due to the inclement weather, but I have made all my pickups. About to grab me a bite to eat, and we'll take a look at what I picked up once we get back to the crib. Oh, look at the line. Yes, this Titanic feet jack, we back. You know, I was showing y'all as I went through my day picking up these shoes right here that we're about to take a look at. So I wasn't able to record as much as I wanted to due to inclement weather, and I didn't think it would be a good idea to try to vlog and drive. Y'all seen earlier when I was driving along, I passed up one of the stores. I had to bust a legal U-turn to get to the store. So we back home now, nice and safe, nice and dry. We're gonna take a look at the sneaker. Y'all see the box, y'all know what today's release was. We just gonna read the box tag anyway. It says Air Jordan 12 Retro, color black, university gold, and black. Size 10.5, price $190 US. The standard Jordan 12 box. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. See that jump, man? Go ahead, sit him here. Poof, there goes the top. All right, we open the box. You see that wax paper? Well, not really wax paper, that brown paper. Kind of like the brown paper bag that you used to get your little sandwich and your apple in. If y'all know about that, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. The paper bag lunches. If y'all ever had a paper bag lunch, comment down below. And let's go ahead and take the sneakers out of the box and ooh, woo! Look at these bad boys here. Yep. University Gold Retro 12s. I'm noticing a difference already on these 12s from previous releases, but we'll get into that in just a second. Okay, guys, we're going to get into the sneaker. You can see you have your upper on your Retro 12 silhouette. Is black, but this black is not like the blacks from other Retro 12s, i.e. the flu game or the food poison games. The black on those was like it had a shiny gloss to it. This pair, the black is like it's more of a matte black. You know, it's kind of flat, no glossiness to it. It kind of reminds me of the type of leather that came on the Pine Green 2.0 Retro 1s. Yeah, that's what that kind of reminds me of. The leather is on this pair. I've seen other YouTubers say this leather was nice, soft, and supple. Shout out to Ron Got Soul. But my pair isn't soft and supple. On here, you got your animal print on here, the University Gold. You have your Jumpman, and right here on your midsole, the black does have that shiny gloss. You have a University Gold translucent midsole right here, which leads to the outsole. Looking at your outsole, herringbone traction, black. You have your carbon fiber and your Jumpman up here. Yup. And look at the rear of the sneaker. You got your Jumpman logo up top. And you have Jordan written in white. And that little message that's on the back of all of your Retro 12s. Quality inspired by the best player ever. And you have your black 2-3 right here on the heel. Right there on the ass of the sneaker. Go ahead and look on the inside of the sneaker. You know, it's a Retro 12. You have your eyelids, metal eyelids up top. You have your upper, that matte look. Comment below. I'm not sure about this matte look. I'm kind of grown accustomed to the shiny gloss look, but we'll see. People are still camping out for these. And can you believe it's 2020 and some people still believe sneakers are first come, first serve? They're not aware of the app that the Foot Sites and Hibbett and City Gear have. I couldn't believe this talking to a guy. He was camped out in front of Foot Locker and the store was not open yet because I had arrived there to pick up my pair that I won on the raffle. And he was like, yeah, I'm waiting on them to open so I could get these 12s. I was like, well, those were raffle. That's why I'm here to pick up my pair. And he said to me, raffle? What's that? I just said, sir, have a good day, and I kept walking, went back to my car. But getting back to this sneaker, you have the University Gold animal print right here, which is significant on your retro 12s and your midsole with the translucent University Gold material on here, which starts on the midsole and goes to the outsole. Get a closer look at your toe box, that leather in the toe box. And you have your standard rope laces that these come with. They only came with one pair of laces. And you have your 2-3 on the tongue with the gold Jumpman on top. All of those are stitched on. And you have a leather tongue. Let's see if we can get inside here. Get the shoe tree out. Cardboard shoe tree, says size 10, 10 and a half. Sit that here. Take a look on the inside of the sneaker. Have an all black inside, all black insert, and you have a black sock liner. You have the Jordan Jumpman inside here, University Gold. Gonna put this back on the table. And we're gonna give you a closer look at these, and we'll be back with you to wrap this video up. Okay, guys, hope you got a closer view of that sneaker, but when you step out with these, you gotta be fresh. They got a club down here in my area. It's made basically a lot for Pittsburgh Steelers fans, and Wiz Khalifa had a song back in the day called Black and Yellow, Black and Yellow, Black and Yellow. Yeah, this shoe matches the Pittsburgh Steelers uniforms to the T, Pittsburgh Pirates, and that hockey team that's in Pittsburgh. I'm thinking now, I forgot to show y'all the size tag. Let's go ahead and look at that. Size 10 and a half. And production, it says December 2019 to April of this year. So had about 4 or 5 months of production on these. And these are so fire. And I care so much about y'all. I need y'all to be fresh when y'all step out. So when I say you be fresh, you know what I'm looking for. I got to coordinate. So I saw this in my local Hibbett Sports, and go ahead and look at it. Goes with this fresh Jordan t-shirt 2-3, quietly inspired by the best player ever. That saying sounds familiar because it is on the back of the retro 12s. Yep. Nothing on the back. Cool little shirt. Good little match. But shoot, that's not all I got for y'all. I was at my local City Gear. Well, that shirt, the first shirt came from Hibbett Sports because that was displayed. And I got this shirt I'm about to show y'all here. Bam. I got this on the clearance rack at my local City Gear. Gold long sleeve tee, jaw Jumpman air upside down, and has a little something on the back. I thought this was a cool little shirt. It was only 19 bucks. I went on and got it because down here in the boot, we don't have winters. It just gets a little airish down here, and this is perfect for the airish weather. Throw on a little long sleeve tee, pair of jeans, you will be just fine. This shoe, the hype for this shoe, it started building closer and closer to the release date, and once the release date got here, oh, these was a problem, because a lot of people, I mean, till this day, people still hitting me up trying to get this shoe, and I tried to accommodate as many people as I can, but they got to me too late. This shoe was a problem, guys. Hopefully, a lot of people that want them can catch them on the restock. Myself, I do have a pair en route. But my size, trying to get that locally is becoming tougher and tougher and tougher. I'm not sure. Well, I know what it is. They only send like maybe one or two, and I know a couple stores where people actually wear my size. So if they give their employees a chance to buy the shoe, they're going to buy the shoe. So I'm learning now, when it comes to the raffles, don't enter my size, because they're just a wasted chance. So I just go through other avenues to get my pair. But comment below, let me know what you think of this sneaker. Did you cop this sneaker? Let me know. I also got a couple sizes left for sale. Think I'm going to post those on my Instagram story. So if you're following me on Instagram, you'll see I'll post the shoe and the price, and you just DM me, let me know if you want it. You pay the price, and if you're not a towner, you cover the shipping, and we'll work it like that. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It's free. And if you're watching the video, just go and hit that like button. That's all. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think of the shoe. Tell me what you think of the video. How was this release in your city? I seen Jay the Sneaker Guy. He posted it was back to the old days. People were camping out. I was like, wow. But let me know how it was in your city. Hopefully everyone was safe. Again, I thank you guys for watching. Titanic Feet Jack signing out.